Hi, I'm Brandy, this is Hound Dog Hollow, and today we're unboxing the June 2022 SugarMuses Deluxe Muse box. Ooh, let's check it out. Looks like our theme is sun signs, super fun. I love astrology. We've got some art by Christy. So Litha's, summer solstice Sabbath. Oh, I love these envelopes. They're nice. They feel nice. They have a texture. Pride. Amaryllis Gaudy Commodore. Which is interesting because I am a Leo. And pride is our thing. I like the paper. So pretty. Ooh, you know what I don't have is my bag for the Dealy Bobs. Oh no. Well, we'll come back to that. So we got a red clover herb. We've got a cinnamon apricot tea. Instructions and ingredients are on the back. I like the packaging. We've got a success spell. Nice. We have a crystal mica, it says. We'll check it out. Let's look at it. Oh. So mica's really fragile. It flakes off a lot. So I'm not going to take it all the way out of the tissue, but as you can see, little delicate fragile flakes. Very pretty. We have a Radiance Basalt. Ooh, it smells wonderful. Love it. We have Chamomile Blend. Have to find out exactly what it's blended with. We have incense here. Lemongrass. Nice. We have a little bracelet. We have a, looks like a sun candle. It says Litha. Beautiful. Smells a lot like the basalt and it looks very lovely. Here's our tea bag. Goes with our tea. Our perfume is Radiance, Bergamot, Sun Tea, and Lemongrass. Let's give her a smell. It smells really nice. I like the smell. And then we have a candle snuffer. Beautiful. And a zodiac. Okay, what's really nice about this, so it's a little table kind of situation, but what's nice about this that I like is that you can display it, you know, however you want. So for me, this would be my first, oh sorry, angle's off. This will be my first house because my rising sign would be Pisces. So my first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th, 11th, and 12th house. That's how it looks like for me. So I could display it in this way. I could even see some workings if I wanted to like say, okay, it's my solar return, so you know, sun is here, moon is here, blah 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 blah. So that might be fun. But this is lovely. I love 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 astrology. Ooh, scaring me. The table moves. I just want to make sure you can see everything. Yep, there we go. Okay. So, the Sabbath is Litha, summer solstice or midsummer, the elements fire, etc., etc. On June 21st, 2022, the sun moves into the sign of Cancer, marking the beginning of summer. The summer solstice, also called midsummer, and Litha is the longest day and the shortest night of the year, and it's a potent time to set intentions and up the manifestation factor on important goals. Depending on your individual spiritual path, there are many different ways to celebrate Litha, but the focus is generally centered on paying homage to the sun. As a great fire festival, it was celebrated by jumping bonfires to promote good luck. This month we celebrate the summer solstice. We take a closer look at sun signs and how they can add power to your spells, rituals, and energy work. The constellation the sun was in when you were born represents your personality traits and may indicate where your strongest magical talents lie. Each zodiac sign has one of the 4 elements and its associated magic connected to it, so why not incorporate this natural advantage into your spells and rituals? So it just has like some basic information about zodiac signs and their elements and such. Let's look at the item list. So, Radiance Ritual Salts. They smell amazing. I usually put them in the bath. Orange peel, chamomile, lemongrass. I just love it. But solar boxes are always really cool for me. I am a Leo. So, definitely goes with me. Purifying the Space. Lemongrass incense sticks. Smells yum. So then we have the Litha candle for manifestation, personal power, and success. Lemon, orange, and lemongrass oils dressed with dried botanicals carefully arranged on top. We have the Radiance Ritual Oil. Lemongrass for road opening, green tea for cleansing, and bergamot for joy and prosperity. We got the Sun Signs Wheel, handmade of resin, with a gold tone finish. I like it a lot. Chamomile blend for use with the success spell. Please refer to the spell card. It's used for prosperity and luck. You could add it to sachet bags for luck and success. You can even press them into your wallet for luck with money. Use the red clover with the success spell. Refer to the success to the spell card. You could add it to promote positive energy, to draw abundance and success. A raw muscovite mica, also for the success spell. Improve intuition, manifesting intentions. The brass candle snuffer. It's lovely because some people believe that blowing out a candle is disrespectful to the fire element. When I was young, I used to think that too, but I've grown out of that idea. I do not think that fire is at all sensitive to us in that way. Having personally lived through a forest fire that almost took my house out on 2,700 homes, fire just will not be contained or admonished by the simple act of you blowing it out. Fire is the most frightening force of nature. Just can't even. That's just my personal opinion. You do you, boo-boo. Cinnamon apricot organic tea. Contains marigold and cinnamon and probably apricot with the muslin tea bag. Serpentine gemstone bracelet. Very nice. Prosperity and good fortune. Look, the art print, sun sign art print. Those are the ones we looked at right away. And then the intuitively drawn oracle card is from the Enchanted Blossoms Empowerment Oracle. Very cool. So that's the second page. Beautiful box. I love SugarMuses. They have a lot of really beautiful touches, really nice items. I'm really happy that they're back at it. I did skip a month just because I've already talked about that ad nauseum, but it killed me. It's very challenging for me to cut back like that, but it had to be done. But I should be getting back on track for at the very latest October, but I'm hoping September. So we shall see how I get myself together. This has been the SugarMuses Deluxe Muse box for June 2022. It used to be every other month, but she's recently put out that she is transitioning to going back to monthly with that. So the link that I'm going to leave in the description below will take you to the only option which they have now, which is monthly. And as always, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you soon.